Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with another video. I am working on week 4 in my 2026 Project Life album, and I've already printed my pictures here with my selfie printer, and I'm still using the same kit from Studio Calico. I'm just gonna use them all until I have nothing left. So I went ahead and picked out this 4x6 card that says do good, be kind, be nice to yourself. I thought it was like very colorful, playful. And then I added one other card, and I believe it's something about books, if I remember correctly. I think it says officially nearing bookworm status. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week. The middle row there is a picture of my husband and their new sweatshirts, their new company sweatshirts from work, and I really loved it that he got me a sweatshirt for myself, so that was really sweet of him. But I had to take a picture of it because it looks super cool with all the helicopters. My husband's in the military and they work on aircraft, and it's pretty cool. So I thought I'd put it in the books. And the next 3x4 picture over is a picture of our book club. Veronica, who is Veronica Creates here on YouTube and on Instagram. Her and I decided to finally make it happen, and I've been wanting to form a book club for the longest time, and I finally convinced her to be on board with me. So we are so happy to have our first book club meeting. And we read for the month of January. We picked out, well, it was Veronica's pick, The Wedding People. It was a great book. And then the card just says up next, which our next book for February is Love Hypothesis. And then my favorite genre, so thrillers. I like horror as well. My favorite author right now, it's Freida McFadden. So I just checked off book club, yes, building my library, buying, and one at a time. So I thought that was cool that I could just document and use that card. And then I'm just adding a little washi on this picture here. I believe it says thumbs up. I just added it and then used my Tim Holtz mini attacher just to staple it, just to give it just a little bit more of a feel of it being like a piece of paper rather than it being washi. So I just added that, and then the bottom pictures there, the 4x6 is a picture of my daughter's competitive cheer squad. They had a competition on Saturday and they won first place. So that was super awesome. They got their plaque and they got their, I think there were buttons, I'm not sure. And so it was really cold. It was so foggy and wet and moist. And we were freezing out there as they were taking their pictures, but we wanted to document that, of course. And so it was a good win, and everybody was happy, and everybody, felt great. So I wanted to add that in there. And then I printed two 3x4s, one of her with the plaque and her button, just her solo, and then a picture of her and I. Usually we take a picture at every competition, so I have one at every meet. And so yeah, I want to keep up with the tradition of her and I having a selfie together. It's kind of sad, although I'm really tired. My daughter's been doing cheer for like almost 10 years, and this wraps up her cheer career because she's a senior, and this is her last. It's competition season, and this is the last of her comps, and so we're just embracing the last cheer competitions of her career, of her school career, because she's been doing cheer since 4th grade. And it's just been amazing to see her grow and see her in different spots. She started off as a flyer, and then she went to, base, and then back spots, and she just like went all, was able to experience them all. And so it's just great to see her just be, the amazing young woman that she is. She's already 18, so it's like weird to have an adult child. And it's taken me some time to, I don't know, for the longest time I felt like I was in denial, but, your kids grow. And so there's nothing that you can do about it. So just cherish those moments that you have with them. So anyway, for these two pictures, I wanted to do a little, what is it called? A flip up, I guess I should say. And so I just found this cute print of like cameras, and it was pink, and I feel like it went well with the 4x6 picture up there. And I just brought out my my scoreboard, my We Are Memory Keepers trimmer and scoreboard. And so I just measured out I believe it's 3x8, because it's like measures the width of the pocket, and then just big enough for it to have a fold over. And then I just trimmed it a little bit, and I did it off camera, and I think I took pictures. I didn't take pictures of it till afterwards. I don't know what I was thinking. I kind of had like a brain fart there. I couldn't find my tab, and then what I ended up using is I ended up grabbing one of those little labels. It was like a floral print, and what I like to do sometimes, I just like to, when I feel like I'm not going to use them, I just fold those and kind of make it like my homemade tab. And I just put a little adhesive and kind of measure out where I want to add that tab. And then I just get my Tim Holtz mini attacher, and then I attach it to the flip there, and then I have a tab. So here I'm just trimming the pictures so that they fit nicely in that 3x4 slot there. So anyway, it's pretty easy. This week came together rather quickly. Not a whole lot of documenting or journaling. There was a lot of pictures. I don't know, I feel that maybe for week 5 I might have a whole week spread instead of just a single sheet. I feel like it's going to be an eventful one. So I might have to adjust my formula, I guess I should say. But anyway, here I am just adding, all of these are stickers, cards, alphas, washies, everything that you can think, everything that you see here on my desk, it's all Studio Calico. So I just use a little label there, and I'm just quickly documenting what the competition was, where it was held at, and what they placed, and the date. I did end up looking for my roller date stamp, and I'm just quickly adding the date below on that label there. Sorry, you can hear my Palm Milo. He's right next to me. He's attached to my hip. He follows me everywhere. So sorry for the little sniffles. So yeah, I'm just adding the date there, and I just quickly adhere that with my ATG gun, and that's pretty much it, guys. That sums up my week. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Again, these weekly cards are free for you to download, so don't forget to download those and print those off. They should be in my description. There should be a link there for you to click on and print at home. And yeah, this is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you guys had an amazing day. I'm wishing you an amazing week and an even more amazing weekend. What do you guys have planned for this weekend? I have another competition this weekend. I'll be heading up to Sacramento. So we'll see how that goes. I believe we will be attending state championships, and yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.